Hey, and welcome back, everybody. Today I am making two standard pillowcases, and I already have my material cut out. First of all, I'm going to sew the hem that goes along the top of the pillowcase. I'm putting like a 1/2 inch hem approximately. Okay, this is going to be the top of the pillowcase where the pillow slides in. Now I'm going to turn my material wrong side out. I'm going to sew along the side and the bottom. Real simple way to make these. I just laid my material out on my cutting mat, set a pillow on top of it, and just cut out around the pillow, left some space to sew it together, and put this little hem on the top part of the pillow. So I have the sides of them all the way sewn. I'm getting ready to sew along the bottom half of it. There you have it. I have it sewn all the way around. Now I'm going to turn it right side out. There you have it. We have a pillowcase. And it turned out really cute. They're so simple to make. It only takes 5 minutes to make them. If you like my video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up to date on my other videos. Till next time, take care.